In the bustling world of healthcare, staying ahead means continuously sharpening your skills. At Physiotherapy Online, we make advancing your career as a physiotherapist seamless and accessible. Imagine a platform where over 10 healthcare categories await your exploration. That's right, our online institute is designed for healthcare professionals eager to become CPD certified. With courses crafted by esteemed international experts, our program is tailored to expand your knowledge and elevate your practical skills. Starting is as simple as visiting physiotherapyonline.net. There, you can easily log in using your Google account and dive into your personalized learning dashboard. Choose a course that captures your interest, enroll with a few clicks, and you're on your way to becoming a standout in your field. Each course culminates with a quiz to test your newfound knowledge. Pass it, and you'll receive a CPD certificate, a mark of your dedication and expertise. For our global learners, head over to smartptacademy.com to access courses in your local currency. Why wait? The next step in your physiotherapy career begins at physiotherapyonline.net. Embark on your journey to excellence today.